Guys, what's up? Welcome back to Betha's corner. My name is Austin Betha. I'm so excited because I'm picking up on my vlogs. It's really exciting for me because I've missed doing this. Okay, I've missed showing you guys what I've been up to, you know, the things I buy, you know, what I eat. I really miss doing all of that. And to be very honest, I'm trying so hard to make sure that I put out at least one content every week on Betha's corner. You know, that's how dedicated I am. I know that my normal schedule says 2 videos, but at this point I don't think so because of the amount of work I'm putting into my other channel. Okay, so welcome. Today is Sunday. Obviously I went to church, and from church I went to the mall, so I literally got back home now, and I want to quickly show you guys what I got. Just basic stuff for the house. Okay, so first things first, I got oil, power oil. I got what's this called now? Okay, I got apple cider vinegar. I want to clean my microwave. I've not cleaned my microwave in about, it's been a while. I haven't cleaned my microwave, and the thing that caused the laziness for me was because I ran out of apple cider vinegar, so I decided to make sure to get it today. You know, I've done that. I'm going to show you guys how I clean my microwave. You know, that's how I clean mine, and it works every single time. Okay, so yes, I got apple cider vinegar. I got this beef seasoning, Xoxo beef seasoning. I want to make stew later on in the week, so I chose to get it today. I got spaghetti. I got honey. The honey my mom got for me when I went home is finished, and guys, I bought this honey for 1,750 naira. I feel so sad because the one my mom bought for me was way more than this. I feel bad, but yeah, I need honey every day in my green tea, so I had to get it. Okay, I also got drinks. Yes, I got Lipton iced tea. I got La Casera for my sister, and I got Pepsi for my brother. The Lipton ice is for me. Okay, so I think that's all in this bag. I also got us shawarma because this is what we're having for lunch for the 3 of us. I got 3 shawarma in here. I got thyme. I got curry. I got tomato paste. I got the normal gino and the peppered onions gino. I got rolls of milk. I got what now? What's this thing? What's here? Okay, so I got my navy. Okay, so there, that's about it for this haul. This is a haul. But yeah, that's about it. That's all I went to get. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to show you guys how I clean my microwave now. I feel like this vlog is going to be quite interesting because I'm going plant hunting tomorrow. Yes, I know I have one plant here, but it's fake plant, and this time I want to get like a live plant. Actually, I don't know how I feel about it because I've never owned a plant before. I've never been responsible for a plant, but I want to put live plants in my sitting room. I know you guys don't have an idea of what my sitting room looks like. I'm doing like a mini transformation in that sitting room. Well, I don't know if it's mini, but yeah, I'm doing that, and it's going to take me a while. So yeah, that video is going to come like much later. So tomorrow I'm going plant hunting with my sister. Okay, so yeah, without any further ado, I don't want to talk too much. Let's go and clean the microwave. Okay, all right guys, I'm in the kitchen now, and this is my microwave. In fact, let me show you guys how dirty this thing is. Okay guys, as much as we try to clean like the upper part, outer part of the microwave, see, inside is nothing to write home about. It's so dirty. I'm even embarrassed to show you guys, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, I'm not perfect as well, and to be honest, I thought I didn't have any apple cider vinegar, which is why I got this one like I showed earlier. Apparently this was hiding somewhere in the fridge. My sister just showed it to me now, so we're just going to make do with this one first. This is the white spirit vinegar, and this is the organic one, so we're just going to use this one because this is the one I've been using. I didn't know I still had it, so let's get into it. Okay, all right guys, the first thing you will need is a mug, and this pretty mug was gifted to me by my friend Comfort. She bought this for me, this one and another one. She actually got 2 for me, so I'm going to be using this one today. Okay, this is one of my favorite mugs in this house. And then, like I said, you're going to need your apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can actually use lemon juice, okay? So just in case you don't have access to this, you can use lemon juice. Just make sure to squeeze it out, you know, from the, what's it in now, I don't know, just squeeze out the juice. All right, and then you obviously need some water. All right, this is clean water. So what I'm going to do is just pour in just all this water, well, not all of it anyways. So the amount I poured here is more than half of the cup, you know, and I'm just going to pour this into the water. So you're just going to pour this much. So let's say about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now what you want to do is open the microwave like so, place this in the microwave, close it, and turn on your microwave, and you know, allow it heat up for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how dirty your microwave is. So it's almost like you're trying to defrost your food. You know how you just put your food in the microwave for it to defrost or, you know, get heated up a bit. So what this is going to do is the water is going to boil inside the microwave, you know, and the steam from the cup is just going to circulate around the microwave. So 2 things are going to happen. It's going to soften up the dirt in the microwave, and it's going to also give it like a fresh fragrance. Your microwave is supposed to smell fresh after this, okay? We're still going to clean with like a clean paper towel or just a rag or cleaning foam, whatever you have. But the first thing you want to do is to soften up the dirt in the microwave and allow the freshness from the lemon or the apple cider vinegar to just circulate around your microwave. Okay, so let's do that. So mine is in the highest heat, so I'm just going to turn this on for the next 10 minutes. So we're going to come back for this in the next 10 minutes, okay? Alright guys, that's done. As you can see, there's a lot of steam from the microwave, and I used a mug cup, not because I didn't have any other fancy cup or anything, but mugs are better because they're not going to break. If you use glass, there's a chance that it might break because, I mean, the water is going to be bubbly inside there. So I'm going to take this out now, but be careful, this thing is hot. Okay, I'm supposed to be telling myself, be careful. It's hot. Okay, you guys can see how steamy the water is. So you get that out. Now what you want to do is take out the tray. I'm going to do that with the help of a cloth because I know that it's hot. Okay, so you're going to take this out. This is going to be washed. You're also going to take out the railing, okay, so that you can wash it as well. So now you have the empty microwave. So I'm going to bring you guys a bit closer. Yes, so now we have just the microwave all steamed up. So in here I have water and foam, my cleaning foam. I'm just going to, you know, do this and just clean. That's how easy the dirt will come out now. Guys, look. That's how easy the dirt should come out, because it's steamed up and the dirt are already moist. So you just want to clean. You guys, these things were not going to come out before now this easily, okay?
Hey, yo, chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang, girl.
So at this point, I'm just going to use a kitchen paper towel. Alright guys, let me show you guys what the microwave looks like now that I've washed everything. I've washed the tray as well, so it's sparkling clean. It smells really fresh. Like now I'm so sure that when I put my food, I'm not going to be scared of any bacteria and all of that. And I recently got this cover, this microwave cover. I got this delivered to me yesterday actually. This is BPA free. You guys know that it's not really nice, you know, microwaving your food openly. You need to cover it with a lid or something. And most times we microwave our food when it's already dished in flat plates. So I got this just to cover the food. So yeah, I washed it already, so everything in here is clean. Okay, now I'm excited. All right, I hope you guys learned 1 or 2 things from me this afternoon. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me just get something to eat and film a reaction video for Big Brother, because today is Sunday, live eviction, but I need to put up a video first before the eviction show itself. Okay, so catch me there. Okay, by the time this video is up, there's really no point, so I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye guys. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday, and like I told you guys yesterday, my sister and I are about stepping out of the house to go get plants, or to just go plant hunting and all of that. So there are 2 plants I have in mind. I want a snake plant, and I also want something palm, I don't know, or a monstera or monstera, I don't know what they call it, but obviously we're going to figure that out. I'm sorry about the rays from my glasses. My eyes are just really itchy this morning, so yeah, I have runny nose, so everything is just wrong this morning. But yeah, we're stepping out now. I'll definitely show you guys when we get to the plant shop, probably in our garden, you know, just those roadside. And I intend going to this Shongo Tedo road, because I know that when I'm going to ShopRite, I always see them by the road, you know, so we're just going to go there now. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. What's this one called?
This one is cute.
What's it really? Okay, this one need trimming. I beg.
No.
But that palm now, how much?
This one.
Those ones are free.
Alanguro. How much did they call it? 50,000. For what?
For the palm.
The same palm that we buy.
Those ones are
These are divided living. This one says the palm.
How much?
It's fine. You no need water.
So this one, how much is it? Everything.
No clean.
No cost.
You never chop. You never.
I say, like you know.
I know now.
You never chop.
We're actually going for the snake plant, which is also known as the mother-in-law tongue, and we're going for a cactus plant instead of the palm. I didn't know that palms were that expensive. Wait till they happen. There's even one pointed, it says 50,000. Who die? So we're getting the snake plant. The plant itself is 1.5. Then we're getting a pot for it, and that one is 2,000 naira. This size of pot, 2,000 naira. We're also getting a cactus plant, and we're using the same size of pot, so we're getting 2 pots. The cactus plant is 5,000 naira for the plant. At the end of the day, our money for you go reach like 20,000. So we buy plant. All right. If these plants die, I will cry. But yeah. Okay, no wala. Beta don't be mother of 2 plants. Very well done, Beta. If this thing die, I'll cry. I'll cry. So I made sure to ask them for the ones that does not need to be watered every single time. And the guy said cactus was a very good option. Same thing with the snake plant, because it doesn't need watering every single time. The other ones need you to water them, and I mean, I don't have such luxury. I'll never remember. Okay, so you better make I just buy the ones when I know say, okay, even if I don't put water, they will still survive. Guys, look at my plant. So I had to get a bag of pebbles, you know, so they help me put it. I'm going on with the rest of it because it's still remaining, you know. It looks pretty. And then there's this one as well. This is our mother-in-law. This is snake plant. It looks very nice. So guys, let me tell you, this is the guy that attended to me. He's very, very patient. His name is Abubakar. Eh? He said Nakosiwere. Hey, guys, I'm waiting for my Uber ride to get here. I'm having runny nose, guys. I'm tired, but yeah, I'm super excited. Everything cost me 13,000 naira, and that included, you know, him planting it and all of that. He said it was 15,000 last, but you know, I said it was 13. So yes, I'm excited. The next thing I'm going to do is go to Lekki Art and Craft to buy like a fancy planter that I can put this inside, or you know, I don't know, maybe I'll just leave it like that, maybe not. Anyone I decide on, I'll definitely let you guys know, but I'm super excited and I will talk to you guys when I get home. Okay, bye guys. Now for the sitting room, and we saw this one. This one, but this is not as high as I wanted it to be. So, but I like this frame. I like this frame. So we decided that he was going to make it for us instead. So he measured out 2 feet by 6 feet. You know, so he's going to like do the frame and deliver it to me on Thursday and everything. So yeah. Hi guys, so we are back from, you know, the whole phone hunting and mirror hunting. We already got my sister's phone. That was the first thing we did today when we stepped out, and then we went to search for a mirror. I saw the ones that had already been framed and all, but it wasn't particularly in the size that I wanted. So I spoke to another person. You know, I told him the height. He showed me a sample of it. That was what I showed you guys there. You know, I like the height. It's 6 feet tall, I think. You know, so he's going to do it in the exact size and height that I want. And it's going to be delivered to me next tomorrow. That's on Thursday. Today's Tuesday. Yes, so that's going to be delivered to me on Thursday. The mirror cost 25,000 naira, and I gave him part of the money. I'll pay him the balance once the mirror gets to me. I'm super excited. I can't wait to share with you guys what my sitting room looks like, because I know you guys have been itching to know what it looks like. I purposely do not show the entire space whenever I'm filming there. I just film like my TV area and all of that, just because I want to do a proper reveal when I'm done. Okay, so yes, I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited for me as well, because this is a lot. Okay, this project, you know, trying to transform my sitting room is a lot for me, and I'm super excited. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. This is where I draw the curtain. Thank you so much for all your love. Thank you for watching my videos. If you do enjoy them, please don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and I will definitely see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye guys.